Let me tell you why you're here. You're here because you know something. What you know you can't explain, but you feel it. This is the construct. It's our loading program.
No one has ever done anything like this.
That's why it's going to work. You have to let it all go, Neo. Fear, doubt, and disbelief.
All right, it's a maiden flight.
Spooling, question mark?
Yeah, are you armed?
I don't know what that means.
Press the left index button. We're armed, spooled. Okay, slight throttle. Airborne. We are airborne. And you're forward.
I know, I see. I don't know how to fly this.
I know, just easy on the throttle. Come back the other way toward the sun. Back, turn.
How do I turn?
You know how to turn. There you go, you got it. Easy on the throttle, you're going up and down. You're going up and down a lot. Easy on the throttle. Up. Okay, stop. Disarm.
What happened?
You crashed.
I don't know how to land.
Videotape rolling. Arm. Spooling. Airborne. There you go. Oh, altitude. Turn. Come back.
I'm gonna land, okay?
Come back here. Turn and come back. Toward the sun. Slow on the right stick. Slow on the right stick. There you go. Slow on the right stick. Watch out. We're coming down. You're coming to us. Watch out. Head. You're good. You're okay. We cleared us. Slow on the right stick. Slow on the right stick. Altitude 1 foot. Altitude 1 foot. Slow. Down. Oh, good. You did it. You landed. Okay.
All right, that was 2 minutes.
Remember, if we really have a bird attack, you're going to go full throttle up. Good throttle control.
I'm pulling a little to the left, just like I'm straight.
Huh. Okay. You're pulling to the left. Okay.
I'm gonna land over it, okay?
You're going to land? Okay. You're coming in behind us. You're at our 4 o'clock. Come forward. Slow. Down. You're 6 foot. You're going forward. Down 3 foot. 3 foot. 2 foot. 1 foot. Land. Kill. Good. Watch it. Oh,
Wow, that was close.
yeah, it was. Okay.
Low battery warning.
Where? On the
controller.
on the controller.
No, on video.
On the video. Okay.
Should I land?
I see something flashing. Yeah, let's bring her back. Whoa. Easy. Okay.
Scared.
Sorry. Yeah, good. You're good.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, ready, go. Spooling. You're clear. You're good. Oh, your throttle control's doing pretty good. You're level. Buzzing the tower.
I keep thinking it's like riding a bike, so I keep turning my head expecting it to do something.
Oh, watch it. There's a light pole. Okay.
Woo!
Oh.
Did you see that?
You were a little close to the ground.
Come on, stop trying to hit me.
Oh, bird. Oh, Lord, you're going fast.
Yeah, I know. I'm scared.
You're buzzing the tower. 20 feet.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
I
Whoa.
attempted to do a backflip, okay?
Okay. Yeah, I don't know what that was. Remember, you're in angle mode right now, so there's no backflipping.
Do this.
You're angling it quite a bit. Careful the goalpost. Buzzing the tower.
Dad, do you think I'm like, oh, I'm just flying around?
I know.
I know where I'm going.
I know.
I'm blind.
Okay. I only mention something when you're about to hit something. Like us. Well, like when I say buzz the tower, you're coming toward us. Excellent throttle control. You're keeping it very level. Oh, were you focused on us?
Yep.
Nice.
Coming down the straight. Not even going full speed. I'm going like half by now. I love how we're just two black dots until I get legs. You don't even have legs. It doesn't even pop up as legs on my feet.
Wow.
No, double.
Oh! We're down. Disarm. Disarm.
Disarm. No, double.
Oh! We're down. Disarm. Disarm.
Disarm.
Emotional damage! We're willing to wipe the slate clean, give you a fresh start. And all that we're asking in return is your cooperation.
Okay.
Everything connected?
Everything's connected. You're connected. Your arm. Spooling. You're up.
I'm fine.
Yeah, it looks like you're good.
Try it again. I'm joking. What sign is it even for?
I don't know. I don't know what the sign's for, but
Why do you? I can't even read it.
okay, careful.
HEB. That's all it says.
Oh, okay.
Do you see? See on the camera.
Oh, I look at the monitor. Oh, I see the monitor. Okay.
Oh, I just lost single.
You lost video.
I just lost single.
Okay, bring it down. Okay, down. Okay, disarm. Yeah, I just saw that. What happened?
What happened? Why did you take me single off?
I didn't take any signal
Did
off.
you turn it off?
No, sir. I can't turn it off from here. I was like looking at the.
Whoa! Wow.
I was looking at the monitor here, and then it went static. It just went static. I don't know what's going on.
That's what happened to me.
Yeah,